Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday.
Hey, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you just a little something that I got yesterday and talk just a little bit. I am watching April the Giraffe. Is anybody else into that? I was addicted last time. I didn't watch a whole ton this time. I just kind of got into it again, but giraffes are my favorite animal and always have been. So if you don't know about April the Giraffe, I'll link their YouTube below. It's a park, and I think it's Harpersville, New York, called Animal Adventure Park, and they have a live cam where you can watch the giraffes pretty much 24/7, and you can also watch the live birth, which I think is so cool. Some people might be grossed out with that, but I just think it's so cool, and the miracle of life in general, no matter the species, I think is such a cool thing. Okay, now that I went on a tangent about giraffes, I got to visit with Amanda yesterday. And this is so cute. I got to visit with Amanda for a few minutes yesterday. We've had some things going on, but, and I just want to tell you, she's like the sweetest friend. She really is. And it's not just about what I'm about to talk about today, but just, oh my gosh, just her as a person. And if you have a friend like this, make sure that you cherish that, because not everybody does, and I know I didn't. I mean, I had friends, but not like this for a long time, where I feel like I can talk to her anytime or call her anytime, and that she's just, I love the person that she is. She's a great mom. She works hard. She's dedicated. Because I also work with her. She's very sweet. She's kind. She'll do just about anything for anyone, no matter how tired she is, and I'd really admire that in her. And I just want to kind of say that, because I really cherish that friendship that I have. Okay, now that I've gone deep and rambled about giraffes and friendship, I got to see her for a little bit last night, and she's like, "Oh, I bought you something," and I was like, "Okay." This is the most adorable thing I've ever seen. So she bought herself one too, but these are they're sold in Sephora, or from Sephora. I don't know if they're in store or if it's just online, but she bought them online. So it's a little Winky Lux Cupcake, and then she got a donut. I'll scoot over. I'll put a picture right here of what the donut looked like. And even the tags got sprinkles. I will link them down below, but this is the cupcake kit. And it came with a Glossy Boss birthday cake hydrating glitter gloss, confetti balm in the shade Rainbow, which I think is exclusive to Sephora. I was just looking this up a minute ago. It's one of the transforming pH balms, and I'm actually wearing it right now. I will show you these in just a second. And it just gives such a nice little wash of color. And I really like the way it feels too. So, and then this one came with a disco gloss in the shade Hustle peach gloss with a cosmic glitter. So that one was a changing gloss too, but I actually gave that one to Amanda and took the highlight that came in her cupcake, because she doesn't really wear highlight, so, which is fine with me. So this is what it looked like on the inside. It has those 3 little products in there, and it's just packaged so cute. Winky Lux is not a brand I've tried a lot from, but their packaging, every time I see it, I'm like, oh my gosh. We've got a cute little pink tissue paper. I just think this is so adorable. And if you've been watching us or me for any amount of time, you know that I am just a sucker for cute packaging. It's just so cute. Okay. So this one is the pH gloss. And this is what it looks like. It's just a kind of a little silver packaging, but look how pretty this is. It's so cute. And then when you put it on, like any typical pH glass, it's clear, and then it kind of gets a pink tint to it, which is pretty cool. It's much pinker on my lips than it is on my hand, but you can see that it's definitely gotten a little pinker there. I think those are so fun and they're so easy to wear for just quick lips every day. So this is the thing that I traded Amanda for the other lip gloss that was in mine. Oh, the packaging. And this is their strobing balm in the shade Lit. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's a very different consistency, so I gotta figure out how to use it. I do like the way it looks swatched on my hand, but I'm a little like intimidated by highlights that are not like powder, so it's really pretty though and really reflective. So I'm excited to get to play with that, and just this little compact, it's just so cute. And then the other thing in here was their Glossy Boss in the shade Birthday Cake. Like, again, like, look at the outer pack on this box. Like, I almost want to just keep the box because it's so cute. And I know they have, like, that's funny. They have, like, their kitten palettes and things. And I just always look at the packaging and go, oh my gosh, the packaging. So it's got a little poodle on the top of there that's so cute. And look at this. It's so pretty. It does kind of smell like birthday cake. And this is just kind of a glittery gloss. Or, yeah, it does have actual glitter in it. So it's this one here. But it's really pretty. Alright, I just thought I would share how cool I think my friend is. Seems kind of dorky, but that's okay. And share with you how cute this little cupcake kit is, and I don't know, I like it. They're all very wearable things in my opinion. I mean, look how pink that got, but it's very pretty on my lips. It's the only thing I have on my lips. Alright, check out April the Giraffe if you're interested in giraffes or things like that. And oh my gosh, her tail is like way up. Sorry. I'm real excited. I missed the last one live, and I'm hoping I can catch this one live, although I'm about to leave and go to my son's school and volunteer. Alright guys, I won't keep you any longer. I hope you have a really great day, and if you like makeup, subscription boxes, friendship, that sort of thing, please consider joining us and subscribe before you leave. We would greatly, greatly appreciate it. We post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and sometimes in between, and I hope that you have a really great day. Bye!
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday.